Hey guys, so today we have with us the Logitech M235 wireless mouse, and this is a very budget device. So if you are in search for a wireless mouse, make sure to watch this video till the end, as I'm gonna tell you guys if you should buy this one or not. Hello guys, what is going on? It's me Joel. So this mouse comes in a very simple package. Inside the package you get the mouse, a battery and a Bluetooth receiver. So before we continue, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon near it to get notified when I upload new videos. So now let us talk about the design and build quality. This mouse has 4 buttons in total, the left, right and scroll button, and also the on-off slider. The on-off slider works perfectly, and all other buttons are very tactile and clicky. The scroll wheel is also perfect. On both sides you have rubber padding for good grip and comfort. And I have to say that this mouse is very comfortable to hold and use. This mouse is very compact and light, making it very travel friendly. This mouse is entirely made up of good quality plastic, but it feels a bit plasticky, but still it's great for the price. The included battery will last you for around 10 to 12 months, so after that you could replace the battery with any AA sized battery, which isn't that expensive. So this is basically a plug and play mouse. All you have to do is plug in the receiver onto your PC or laptop and switch on the power, you're good to go. The sensor is an invisible optic sensor, so there won't be any light, and the mouse has 1000 dpi sensitivity. The tracking is awesome. I haven't felt any lag or stutter in my long period of usage till now. This mouse is priced under 700 rupees, and for the price it is a killer. So if you are planning to buy one, from my side it's a big yes. The link for this product will be given down in the description below the like button. So that is it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll meet you guys in my next one. Bye.